Hello, my name is Dimitrios Filippou, and I'm a metallurgist and principal advisor at Rio Tinto Iron Titanium. I'm also in charge of COM 2024, the Conference of Metallurgists and Materials, which will take place in Halifax, Nova Scotia between August 19 and August 22, 2024. As conference chair, I would like to invite personally each one of you to the most prestigious annual event of Metsoc. Our world is changing, and so is the science and engineering of metallurgy and materials. Our industry is also facing tremendous challenges. So it's time to connect, it's time to discuss, it's time to present, and it's time to ask questions. COM 2024 offers a unique forum for all of this. And that is why I would like to see you all next year in beautiful Halifax, Nova Scotia.